everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Dafika. I do different makeup, beauty and lifestyles video in this channel. So this video, as the title suggests, is the must-have beginners kit high-end version. So all the products which I'm going to show here is into the category of high-end. If you are somebody who wants to purchase your beginners kit but you want them to be very high-end, so this is a video for you. And if you want to see the drugstore version of this video, it's already there in my channel. I'll give the link down in the description box so you can see that too. So if you want to see what I got for you as the makeup for beginners in the high-end section, so without talking too much, let's get started. So we'll start with the very basic thing, like as we start with the makeup thing. So the first thing that I have is a base. This is something which you can use as a moisturizer and also works as a primer for your skin, and it is very nourishing to your face. It will suit all skin types. So the first product that I have is the one by Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enrich face base. So this is a very nice product. This is very expensive. Okay, this is the I just have the trial version because I have whole lot of stuff still there to use. The price for this product for a bigger version that I know is for around 5,000 to 7,000 rupees. Link of all the product will be down in the description box, so it will be easy for you to go directly to the product. So yes, this is something which I will recommend to keep for your kit, as which will help you to use it as a primer and also as a moisturizing product for your base. So the next product is a foundation. So the next foundation is also from Bobbi Brown. This is the foundation which I love. I had one more foundation in mind, but that is not available in India, so I wanted to keep the products which are available in India. So the foundation that I have is the one by Bobbi Brown. This is the Bobbi Brown foundation, liquid foundation. This is the foundation which I love. This is my go-to foundation for a high-end. This is the reason I bought this foundation is because this is very lightweight. You can build this according to your preferences. If you want a very sheer everyday look, you can use this, and if you want a heavy look for any sort of special occasion, you can also build this up. This is good for all skin types. It is not too drying, it is not too oily in your face. It's a very beautiful foundation. It gives you a flawless makeup base. This is what I have on my face as well. So if you want to see how this works on my face, video for this makeup is also there in my channel. You can see this. I'll give the link in the description box. So yes, this is the foundation which I would recommend. To the next product is a compact powder, so that we need a product to set our base. Okay, so I have the Studio Fix. This is the MAC Studio Fix compact. So I bought this because I wanted to keep something which you can use on the go. If you don't want to use a foundation, you can just dab this over your moisturizer and you're ready, you're good to go. Okay, and if you want to set your base, your foundation with this is good for that also. And next important point about this product is that if you want to do a retouch and touch up for your base makeup, this is a very lovely product. This is one of the product which I love from MAC, because you know me. So this is the product that I have next for you. So for eyebrows, which are very important for me especially, I love to have very nice groomed eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I have the Benefit Goof Proof eyebrow pencil. The reason I bought this eyebrow pencil in a form of pencil, because this is buildable. Okay, if you want to have just a very normal basic look and you don't want a very sharp eyebrows, you can just take this and fill the spare areas of your eyebrows. Or if you want to have a very chic sort of a very sharp eyebrows, you can also build this and fill your eyebrows according to your wish, and these are very nice. If you have this in a proper shade of your eyebrows, these are lovely. Okay, to know my shade is number 6. This is the darkest shade that they have in the range. So yes, this is my next recommendation for your kit. Coming coming to a concealer, because most of us don't like to have foundations every time. We just do a little bit of a concealer touch up and then we're ready to go, and packed with a little bit of a compact and ready to go. So the concealer that I have for you is the one by Huda Beauty. This is the concealer, and this is the Overachiever concealer, and this is in the shade, let me see. So I am in the shade Graham Cracker 16G. This is a perfect match for me for my skin tone. It's not too dark, not too light, because I don't use this to highlight any points of my face. This is only to cover and conceal the, if I have any sort of pigmentations or anything going on my face when I don't want to use a foundation. So this is a very nice concealer, because it's very creamy, leave any crack on your makeup. It's very smooth, it glides in very smoothly, and you don't have to work hard to to blend this out. It's very easy and very beginners friendly. So yes, this is the concealer recommendations from my side. So next, let's do the bronzer, blush and highlight. For bronzer, I have undoubtedly the Hoola bronzer. This is by Benefit. So this is a very beautiful bronzer. Again, it is very friendly to people who have just started makeup, or who doesn't know to do makeup a lot, who is not a pro. You just take a little bit, dust off the excess, and you can just give a very light touch up. Also, you can do a very light bronzing. If you want your face to have a very chisel face, you just need to dab this extra, and just do a little bit of a baking, and you will have a very chisel face. You can build this up. Okay, this important thing is you can build the bronzer. You can use with very light hands to have a very subtle bronzing effect, or if you want to have a very contoured face, you can build this up. So yes, this is the next product which I have as a recommendation for your beginners kit. The next product is a blush. So the blushes from this companies are very nice. So this is the blush by MAC. So I have the shade Apple Red. So I chose this shade because I wanted something dark. I love blushes. I love to have very bright cheeks. So yes, this is the blush which I have. They have whole lot of range. You can go from light to dark to very subtle. All sorts of colors are there, so you can choose the shade according to your wish. And I chose this one because they're very smooth, they are like very light, but if you want, you can build this according to your wish. So this is the blush which I recommend for you. The blush is from MAC. The Becca highlighter. This is I have just a mini version, because highlighters we don't need so much. So if you want to go with a high-end highlighter, go with something which is very small, so that you can see whether you like it or not. And this is the very famous shade. This is Champagne Pop. Yeah, this is in the shade Champagne Pop, and I love this highlighter. It's very creamy, and the moment you apply this highlighter, you don't have to worry about it. It stays in your face since morning till night, and this is a very striking highlighter. Just see, it was like a very gentle swatch, but see the effect. It's a very beautiful, very beautiful highlighter. If you're thinking of buying a high-end highlighter, do not think of any other brand, just go for the Becca highlighters. So yes, this is the next product. For mascara, the option that I have is again by MAC. This is the high dimensioned mascara, you call it. I don't remember the name exactly, but this is a very beautiful mascara. Again, if your lashes, the effect of lengthening and to show them a little heavier. So if you are a mascara person, mascara girl, this is the mascara which I would recommend. So coming to the eyeliners, I have two options for you. The first one is again by MAC. This is the liquid liner. This is a little shiny. It has a little glitter sort of texture in it, but I am recommending this because it lasts forever. Okay, you have to cleanse very well to get rid of this liner. It is a very long lasting eyeliner. The second option for a liner I have for you is the one by Huda Beauty. So I never kept this for the first option because this is still not available in India, I suppose. This from abroad. So this is the second recommendation. I recommend this because it has a liner, and as we are Indians, we love kohl pencils. So they also have the kohl over here, which is very black in color. This is the reason I would recommend you to have this life liner by Huda Beauty, because we have a kajal and a liner, so it's like a two-in-one product. We don't have to carry so many products. So if you can get your hands on this product, this will be the first recommendation, and if not, the MAC one is also very nice. After the whole makeup, we need to set our base. Okay, for setting spray, I have the setting spray primer water by Smashbox. So if you want to skip the primer, if you think you don't want the primer and you just want one product which does both the work, so you can opt for this Smashbox primer water. This is set and refresh spray. This also works as a primer and also works as a fixing spray. It is a very nice high-end primer water. It does set your base, and it melts down all the base and the powder that you have in your face and makes it look very supple and together. So yes, this is my recommendation for a setting spray or a primer as well. Going to eyeshadow palettes, so I have two eyeshadow palettes. According to your preference, you can choose from either one of them. So both the eyeshadows are from Huda Beauty. So you can, if you want something which is not that expensive, you can get your hands on the Morphe palettes. Those are the best palettes for beginners. They are very beautiful. They are not that expensive, but they are not available in India. But if you are wanting a higher end product, I have two recommendations. Both are the Huda Beauty palette. First one is the new nude palette. If you see, they are like very everyday sort of a look. They are like very subtle and soft, and if you are somebody who likes to have very light makeup, you can go with this palette. This has beautiful shades, okay, and it also has a concealer. Let me show some of the shade swatch. So this is the color pigmentation. It is very nice, very buildable, very it's very easy to work with these palettes. You don't have to be a professional to work with this product. It is not that difficult. They are very smooth and does give you a very beautiful they have the pigmentation is very nice. They are very beautiful. You can also use this for everyday use, for any special occasion, anywhere you want. You can use this palette according to your preferences. So yes, this is something which I would recommend to somebody who likes light sort of a nude makeup. If you are a person like me who like bright dark eyes, so the next option is again by Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. So this is the hands down the best eyeshadow palette of Huda Beauty. So this has sort of light shades and more of a darker shades. So it has a black in it, and the pigment is beautiful. So this is the swatches for the remastered palette. So according to your preferences, अगर आपको nude पसंद है, तो you can go with the new nude palette. If you like something to bolder for your eyes, you can use the buy the remastered palette. So yes, this is my suggestion for the eyeshadow palette. So the last product and last category of today's video, and that is a lipstick. So I have two brands for you. The first one is the liquid lipstick by Smashbox. So these lipsticks are one of the best liquid lipstick. They are very soft on your lips. They are not too drying, and they have variants of colors that you can choose from. This is the first recommendation. The second lipstick is my favorite brand from the high-end version. So this is the Huda Beauty one. So This is like very famous. It is very beautiful. This brand has variants of formulation for lipstick as well. They have variants of shades, so you can choose from this one. If you ask me which one I like more, I will definitely go with the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. I love the liquid lipstick by Huda. So yes, this too is a suggestion for the lipstick. So this lipsticks will not dry out your lips if you somebody who doesn't like liquid lipstick because it dry out. So just use a little bit of a lip balm and this lipstick and you're set to go. You don't have to retouch again and again. It stays on your lips and it's very long lasting, very comfortable on your lips. Yes, that was it. I hope you like the video. This was it. This is all the products that I have for you according to my choices and recommendation. This is something which I would recommend a beginner to have in her makeup kit if she wants everything high end. I hope you like the video. If you have liked my work and my video, please do not forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.